Let's learn letters and their sounds. This activity is related to sound out blends and sound out phonemes, games given in the reading section of Level 1 and Level 2 of Prodigy for School app. The sound of any letter is called phoneme, like the sound of S is sa. The combination of two letter sounds is called a blend in English. For instance, B and L makes blah. In this, you will have to make words out of phonemes and blends. If you want to excel in letter completer, then play meet sound out blends and sound out phonemes. To do this activity, you will have to divide yourselves into two groups. Both teams will compete with one another. Every group will be given one phoneme, letter or blend. The entire group will get the same phoneme, letter or blend.
Now, I will give you two letters. The letters are B, R. This is pronounced as br. We can make a word or words such as break. B, R, E, A, K. Now your group and your group will have to make words like this by using words starting with
BR.
br. Let me give you a blend. I am giving br. Now you have to write these words in your notebooks. How? Let's start with br.
You can choose between phonemes, letters or blends by making chits or using the app. Both the groups would have to find words that start with the phonemes, letters or blends provided to them. You can find the words from anywhere, look into books, look into tabs, or ask an elder. After which both groups will read out the words they find and also explain their meanings. If you find words that you don't recognize, then try to find their meanings. This activity will introduce you to new words. The group that will collect more words and tell the meaning of those words correctly will win. Remember to use English words only.
Brush. Bread. Do you have brush? No. All these stones are ours.
Yay!